Let's go and start our last triangle to solve using either law of sines and cosines. So this one, hopefully you can see it, we're actually given the three sides of the triangle. Looks like side A is 4, side B is 6, side C is 7, and we have to find the three angles. So for this one, we definitely have to use law of cosines. So let me just write down the information. So A equals 4, B equals 6, C equals 7, and we need to find the three angles. So once again, use law of cosines. You can start whichever one you want, it doesn't matter. I'll just do A since it's the first one. So let's use this first law of cosines, which is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times cosine of A. I know everything in here except the angle A, so I can plug in all the numbers and then do the math to determine angle A. So A is 4, so 4 squared, B is 6, 6 squared, C is 7, 7 squared minus 2 times B times C times cosine of A. Once again, be careful with the math. Do these all separately. A lot of these I can do in my head. 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49. I have to multiply these together. 6 times 7 is 42 times 2. What some students want to do is they want to go and take 36, add 49, and subtract 48. That is incorrect. You would get the wrong answer. Instead, let's add these two together. Now subtract 85 from both sides. So 16 minus 85, negative 69. So now I solve for cosine of A. Negative 69 over negative 48. Now I'm going to check and make sure I didn't mess up. I'm worried about my numbers. See, I wrote 48, and I think I said 84. Wow. I actually knew this could not be correct. So two negatives cancel. 69 divided by 84.821. So A is the inverse cosine of 0.821. $34.77, but I think they don't have to round to one decimal place. So let's try 34.8. Now, at this point, if you want to take a risk and you can remember all the rules, you can switch to law of sines, but I don't want to have to memorize all the rules and stuff. I'm just going to go ahead and use this equation to calculate angle B. So the second law of cosine plug everything I know in. 6 squared plus 4 squared plus 7 squared. Wow, not being careful. This equals 2AC, 2 times 4 times 7 times cosine of B. 36 equals 16 plus 49. Let's be careful. 28 times 2, unlike the last time, should be 56. So this is 65, which I'm going to subtract. Add these two together. So this, just to be sure, I'll do this on my calculator. Minus 29. So cosine of B, divide both sides by negative 56. Negatives cancel out. 0.518. So B is the inverse cosine of 0.518. 58.8. If I didn't make any mistakes, I believe that's correct. So now I know angle A is 34.8. Angle B is 58.8. Now angle C I can just get from saying 180 degrees equals angle A plus angle B plus C. If I add those together, 34.8 plus 58.8 equals 93.6. .4 degrees. And that is correct. All right. So there you go with law of sines and cosines.